Hey there, how's it going? It's Dave, and inside my van, Sireny, right now. I'm just trying to, so we're getting ready for our big cross-country hippie road trip that's going to be taking place later in July. And I'm just trying to finalize how we'll be doing a lot of the video from the van. So right now I'm going to be experimenting with a GoPro. It's a little bit of an older model. I want to test it out. I want you to tell me what you think of it too. It's a GoPro Hero 3. And let me have you take a look at it right now. Let me pause it just for a second and show you. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's up against, so it's my dashboard. Here's my dashboard, my windshield. It's now this right here is a little it's a little contraption here that holds my iPhone in place when we're driving for maps and stuff like that. And right above it is the GoPro Hero 3 that's attached, and it's going to get a whole view of everything in the van. So right now I'm actually not recording through this, obviously, because I'm recording it, but I'm going to go ahead and switch over now. In just a couple seconds, you're going to see me recording through the GoPro. And I want you to tell me, honestly, what you think, if it's a good view, if you can hear me okay. So let's go ahead and switch over to the GoPro right now. Okay, so here I am. I'm back with you. I am, GoPro is mounted exactly the way, let me get rid of this real quickly. People can't call me in the middle of a video, that's ridiculous. So the GoPro is mounted exactly the way you saw it on the windshield. I'm sitting in the driver's seat right now, even though I think it might be reversed, I'm not sure. By the time I edit this and everything, it might be reversed, but here's the way it would look if I'm driving down the road. And I promised people, when I used to do Periscope live driving, I promised people I would not broadcast live while driving. So I'm going to make a little bit of an exception. As we're driving down the road, I might have the camera going just like this, but I'm not going to be like looking in the camera, doing things, looking at the screen. I'm just going to be driving, and you'll get like a first-hand view of me and Yoko, and if Boo-Boo, our cat, is right here walking around. But I want to make sure you can see me, you can hear me, and not only that, I'll share this with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get up from the driver's seat. Now don't worry, I'm parked right now. I'm parked. Nothing bad's going to happen. But I want to see if you can see me pretty well as I walk through the van. So like right now, there's not really a microphone that comes back here, but now I'm about halfway back in the van. Here's the bathroom. And as I go all the way back, I know I don't have a microphone here, so I'm just going to kind of yell. I'm sitting all the way in the back of the van, but I think you have a really good view. Here's the kitchen, the sink, a really good view of the van. So I want you to let me know if you think this is a good view back in the driver's seat, a good view, a good vantage point of showing exactly what's going on as we're trucking down the road wherever we might be going in Sireny. So thanks for viewing this. Again, just if you could drop me a quick message, thumbs up or a message or something that you like this or that you think it's going to work well. If you don't think it's going to work well, let me know why not. Again, I was thinking about upgrading to a Hero 5 or a Hero 6, like the latest model I think is a Hero 6, but I wanted to, but it's not cheap. And if I can get good use out of this, and if it looks fine, and I don't have to upgrade and pay a few $100s just to have another video camera, then there's no reason to really upgrade. So let me know what you think. Be honest with me. Remember, it's not going to be distracting me, because as I'm driving, I'm not going to be looking at it. I'm going to be just looking at the road, but you might hear a conversation between me and Yoko. You might hear me talking to you. But I'm going to be looking at the road. It's no different than really if I'm listening to the radio going down the road or something like that. I'm going to be looking straight ahead. I'll be safe. Don't worry about that part. But just let me know what you think of the quality and the the view, etc., etc. Okay, I'll be looking forward to getting your opinion, and we're still working this out. I might have some other tests for you to check out, and let me know what you think. Until next time, I am Dave in Sireny. We are getting closer and more excited every single day. Talk to you soon.